Hi, and welcome to this Open SDG tutorial on protecting your platform from break-in changes. This tutorial will show you how to set up branch protection rules to ensure that no break-in changes make it through to your staging site and in turn through to your live site. A break-in change is a change that stops your site from displaying or updating. Before you start this tutorial, you will need to have already created an Open SDG platform. If you haven't done so already, see the video linked below for a tutorial on how to do this. No technical expertise are needed to complete this tutorial, as step-by-step guidance will be provided. So let's get started. The procedure is the same for both the site repository and the data repository, but I'll start with the data repository for this tutorial. Before we configure the branch protection rules, we'll start by creating and merging a pull request, as this is a requirement of being able to set up a branch protection rule. If you have already created and merged a pull request in the repository, you can skip this step. Start by navigating to your data repository and go into any file. In this tutorial, we'll go into the README. Once in a file, click the pencil icon to edit it. Make any change to the file, such as adding some empty spaces or additional empty lines. Towards the bottom of the page, name your commit, select Create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request, then click Propose Changes. On the next page, click on the green Create Pull Request button. Wait a moment to see the message that says Test PRs, Test Pull Request in progress. Wait until you see all checks have passed. This will take about 5 minutes. Once the checks have passed, click on the green Merge Pull Request button, click Confirm Merge and then delete the branch. Now that you have created and merged a pull request, we will configure the branch protection rule. Staying in the data repository, under the repository name, click Settings. In the left sidebar, click Branches. Make sure that the default branch is set to develop, and then under Branch Protection Rules, click Add Rule. Under branch name, type in Develop and click the checkbox which says Require status checks to pass before merging. In Search for status checks in the last week for this repository, type Test and select the Test option. Scroll to the bottom and click Create. At this point, you will also have the option to include administrators. Check this box if you want even more protection, as it will stop administrators from merging in break-in changes. A branch protection rule is now set up on the data repository. Next, we will complete the same steps on the site repository, so navigate there. Again, we will create and merge a pull request first as required. We will edit the README by clicking the pencil and adding some additional empty lines. Name your commit. Select Create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. Then click Propose Changes. Click on the green Create Pull Request button. Wait a few seconds and the tests will start. Wait for the checks to pass and then click the green Merge Pull Request button. Click Confirm Merge and then delete the branch. Again, it can take up to 5 minutes for the checks to pass. Navigate to the Settings tab and click Branches. Make sure Develop is the default branch and then click Add Rule. Under branch name, type in Develop and click the checkbox which says Require status checks to pass before merging. In the search box, type Test and select the Test option. Again, check the box to include administrators if you want more protection. Scroll to the bottom and click Create. A branch protection rule is now set up on the site repository too. Now that you have these branch protection rules, anytime a pull request is created, the merge button will be disabled until the pull requests passed all tests. This helps avoid the possibility of a break-in change making it onto your site. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now be able to create branch protection rules for your OpenSDG platform. To learn more, check out our other videos or visit our website at open-sdg.org.